welcome back to part 3. You're probably wondering why I'm in iPhone sim. Well, it's one reason only. Because there's code in here that I want to steal. If I zoom out, you can tell I'm in it. And there's these two sprites with really big code. Okay, well, the thing about all this code is I'm going to clean this up. I want to put it in banana sim. Yeah. See, I can't do that in like 5 minutes because it'll take ages. So I found this thing called a backpack. I'ma just... Huh? You serious? I can't put it in my... My idea has failed me. Hi, welcome back to me and my squeaky chair. Today we're gonna be making part 3 of coding. I like coding. So last episode we covered this. And now, as you saw in the clip before this, we're adding, well, that thing. So, yeah. Anyways, so the first thing we're gonna do, as you saw, we're gonna go to my blocks and add a block called pop. Run without screen refresh. Yeah, I did not mean to do that. You're not meant to be that. I'm gonna edit you, and you're not supposed to have that. You're just... Okay. Yeah. There you go. Now we are one step closer. But the thing is, I've already started it where instead it deleted it. What? So I'm gonna have to get all the glow numbers, all of them. Well, this is gonna take some time. So I'm just gonna cut it to when I actually have all of them. We're back. That took ages. And when I mean ages, I mean ages. Because it's so glitchy. So first, we're actually gonna have to duplicate this glow 0, go to the original, delete it, because we have to name this now glow hash glow. Anyway, so now we have a new sprite, which I will not like doing because it's a long process. Yeah, one episode dedicated to this. Settings and music next episode. What? Huh? So we're gonna make the block again because it's a block. Run without screen refresh. We're gonna grab that. We're gonna grab that, and done. That's it. We're not done. So now we're gonna have to define pop. So first, we have to get, where's my, oh yeah, it doesn't have a sprite. We're gonna have to put this where we want it. I want it right there. So we're gonna grab these coordinates, as you can see, this, and then we're gonna go to motion, and because Scratch is so awesome, it already done that. So defining pop, we have defined. We're gonna have to add something called a new variable. And I'm gonna call it in. Now if you pay close attention to the clip at the very start, it said index. In sounds better. And we're gonna set that to 0. Yeah. Then we're gonna repeat 10 million times. So you're gonna have to go to control. I'm gonna go here and we're just gonna tap 1. I'm gonna type a 0. I'm gonna type a 0. And we're gonna type a 0. We're gonna type a 0. We're gonna type a 0 and a 0. Then we're gonna create coronavirus in the repeat. This is why I don't like it. It's very laggy for the first 2 seconds. And then it's nice and smooth. So if you're finding it laggy, yeah, you might not want to test it when we're making it. Okay, so now we're gonna change x by 10. I'm just kidding. We're gonna go to operators and we're gonna divide. We're gonna go to size, wait, and we're gonna divide size by 2. There. Yay. So after that, we have to change index by 1 or in. But I'm gonna just say index. And we're gonna tidy this up. We're gonna clean up the blocks. And yeah. So now after that, we're gonna do when it starts clone because we're obviously gonna make the clone do something, right? And then we have to make another block called pop 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 because I like pop pop. There. Now we're gonna define pop pop when start clone. Yeah. And then because the name is glow. Wait, why does it say glow 10? Just scratch. Let me just tell you something. What is this? Why is 7 here? 6, 8, 9. Oh, there you go. Why? So this is a lot because we're gonna join it. We're gonna pop up join apple banana. This makes perfect sense. Just wait. I just don't know what. So we're gonna change variable by pop. So variable is our currency. My variable is our currency. So we're gonna change. Oh no, I don't need that. I'm gonna get my variable. We're gonna use this that you never probably used before. Letter 1 of apple. We're just gonna put my variable in the second one, and index in the why did I go there? And in for this. And we're gonna put in the second one. And then we're gonna put here. And when you go over to glow, you can see that our glow with no costume is called that. So we're gonna have to type that in. So the effect will go to that, and then that will go to that, and that will go to that. So now we have to set x to another thing. Yeah, we're setting 2 x's. Well, I said set, not change, but yeah. This one's the biggest line of code in this episode, and that's because I don't like it. So then we're gonna, I just don't know why I do this to myself. Honestly. I'm just gonna go here and get the times, get the minus. I'm gonna do this really quick. Because I do not want to spend this much time doing it. My squeaky chair is squeaky. So, why is there so many operators in this? I just realized how many operators I'm gonna have to use. Let me count. I can count. I can only count to 10. So there's gonna only be 10. So yeah, that's 3 right there. I don't want to. Then we're gonna do 0.5. 0.5 here. We're gonna put in. I don't care about in. What is happening? And we put that there. And we're gonna put another minus block in. I'm just kidding. We're putting that there. I didn't want to replace. I said Scratch was nice and cool to us, and now Is that calling it? Yeah. I got it working. So yeah, there you go. Next we're gonna get length of apple, and we're gonna put, can you guess it? My variable. And we're gonna divide that by 2. So we're gonna have to go to the operators again. Put the divide out, put that there, put 2 there. There you go. And we have to times that by size divided by 2. Comment down below how many operators I've used this video, because I still am using more than just this. And we're gonna put that in there. Look how chunky set x2 is now. Look, just wow. Change size by, where is that? So we're gonna change size by 10, definitely, and not put more operators. We have to get the times one out, and we also have to get the minus one out. And then we also have to get the 0.2. What? Huh? 0.2. Then we're also gonna have to get the 75 out. Then we also have to get what is the size of this, by the way? It's 100. That's it. There you go. Now we're gonna have to define number or text. What is this? So now we're going on to the simplest thing, which is an if. We're gonna have to get this number or text out. It doesn't really matter what you've named it, but it's a variable. But now pink, purple, whatever. Why am I doing this? It's for you guys. Anyways, so we're gonna have to put an equal, and we're gonna have to do costume name, which is something I've used a lot. And when I mean a lot, I mean like 7 times. And you don't want to know why? Because I'm the creator of Banana Sim. Yeah, when you type up Banana Sim in that little search bar on Scratch, not on Google, it will show up as Banana Sim, and the very first one that you see, or at the very top, and that's mine. And also, if you go to Studios, there's Banana Sim Studios. If you're making this clear game with me, upload this clear game that you are making onto Banana Sim. I just want to get as many clicker games or as many games made in Scratch on Banana Sim. There's a lot. There's a Game Hub, and there's Milkshake Clicker, there's Banana Sim, there's iPhone Clicker. I'm gonna upload this to Banana Sim. There's also a platformer, Banana Sim platformer. It's really fun and really hard. So yeah, let's just finish this. Let's just get this over with. Set size to 90% and switch costume to Pop Pop, which is number of text. So mm, mm, mm. Switch costume to number. So there you go. If this doesn't work, I don't know. But we also have to put in the show because we want it to show. And as you can see, it shows perfectly. What? So I'm gonna be real with you. Look at the coordinates. What are those coordinates? It's huh? That coordinate is so wrong. What is this coordinate? That is not meant to be like that. What the heck? It just completely broke. It probably just broke. It says go to, like, why isn't it going to it? It's not going to anywhere, is it? Let's just see if this number of text work. No, it doesn't. Oh wait, it's because it's invisible. There you go. I don't know why it's not working. What was that? Anyways, view. Go away, bird. Okay, well anyways, if you want to fix it, I'm putting a video link in the description because off camera I'll probably make this work. I'll probably copy everything. But yeah, right now it ain't working, which is pretty weird because this has always worked for me. So yeah, you do whatever. Maybe it's the. Oh, it's because I. Oh my god, it went away. So it's gone away. I'm just gonna put that away. I think you have to do when I start a clone show because wow, did I just have I completely broke this? Because it did show for a bit and then it disappeared. Huh? It did show for a bit. It showed 7, which I don't think that's what happens if I just. Is this the problem? Well, there it goes into the corner. I'll fix off camera. I'll put a link in the description to fix this problem. It showed for a bit. I have no idea what I did wrong. Is it in? Is it seriously because I did in? It cannot be that. If it is, I'm gonna cry because I did not want that to be that. Anyways, there you go. Another failed. Clean this up. Another failed. Whoa. Another failed episode. Wow. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. This is really complicated, so I'll see how to fix it. I'm just. How on earth is this broke? Because it's done everything the exact same. How I did it before in iPhone 7. It's like a copy and paste, but I have no idea. So yeah, there you go. Don't forget to save your project. Bye-bye. That doesn't mean I just started recording, by the way. Anyways, I fixed it with less code this time. This is what you do for the costumes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And then you go here and you press so paintbrush. And then you leave it as it is, name it nothing. Copy this in. And to get the per click, all you have to do is duplicate this. And instead of money, you can change all the money ones to pop, which was our per click. And there you go. As you can see, it's in it, so I'm gonna have to change the Y by whatever to get it up there. So yeah, you can shorten the size of it. So let's do 95, let's say. This one too. Let's not do 95. Let's do something that's lower by lot. And set. So yeah, there you go. This is the code. Just changing the Y here. That's how you do it. So I'm gonna set 70 there. So yeah, now it works. So when I get, well, if I get to 50, there you go. That is it for the episode. Not linking anything in the description anymore. There you go. Got it? Got it. Anyways, bye.